Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay if you are under 18. Apple Pay offers a secure and convenient way to make purchases using your Apple devices. While there are specific guidelines for younger users, it's entirely possible to enjoy the benefits of contactless payments with proper setup. We'll go over everything you need to know, from getting started with parental involvement to making your first secure transaction. It's a great tool for learning about managing money responsibly. For those under 18, using Apple Pay primarily involves a parent or guardian. The first step is ensuring you are part of a family sharing group, with your parent managing your Apple ID. They will then add a debit or credit card to their Apple Wallet, which can be shared with you. This setup provides essential oversight, allowing parents to monitor spending and ensure responsible financial habits are being developed. It's a collaborative effort for secure and smart spending. Once your parent or guardian has set up Apple Pay for you, making purchases is straightforward. Simply open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and select the card. When you're ready to pay in a store, hold your device near the payment terminal. You'll then authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. For online and in-app purchases, just select Apple Pay at checkout. It's a quick, secure, and easy way to complete transactions. Using Apple Pay offers numerous benefits, including enhanced security and incredible convenience, especially for younger users learning financial independence. It eliminates the need to carry physical cards or cash, reducing the risk of loss. However, it's crucial to practice responsible spending. Parents can easily track transactions and discuss budgeting, fostering good money management skills. This system empowers you to make purchases safely, while providing parents with peace of mind and oversight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.